Now we'll see a 3-bit odd parity generator using Moore's circuits. Yes, everything will remain the same till the last state. Okay, so for only thing is we'll have output along with the state. So first I'll draw that as in Mealy circuit. Hope you saw that video, else you see that and then you proceed. Right, in all these cases the output is 0. You can check in your Mealy circuit, right? So initially if I am in state A, let this be even side and this be odd side. Yes, 0 means I'll come here, 1 means I'll come here. From B, if it is a 0, I'll come here, and if it is a 1, I'll come here. Here it is a 0 means I'll come here, 1 means I'll come here. From D, if it is a 0, I'll come to F, and 1 means I'll come to. From E, if it is a 0, I'll come here, and if it is a 1, I'll go to F, right? From F, what did we do? We went to the initial state, but we cannot with the output 0, but we cannot with the output 1. We cannot go here because what about the output? The output is 1 and it should be indicated in a separate state, right? So I'll go for a separate state, and from F, irrespective of whether it is a 0 or a 1, what will we do? We go to state H with an output 1, and from 1, if it is a 0, where will we go? So which means that we have directed the first bit, so we will go to B, and if it is a 1 means odd number of bits are directed, so I will come here, right? Yes, and from G, you note, I need not go in for yet another bit saying I with the output 0, because if I go like this, I with output 0, from G, if it is a 0 or a 1, I will come here only, and I have to go into the starting. Instead, what we can do is, from here itself, I will go to A, whatever may be. If the input is a 0 or a 1, my output is going to remain 0, and I am going to start the next one, right? So it is not required to have an additional bit here. Now see, you have 8 state variables, which means we can go for 3 flip-flops. Yes, all 8 states are used. In that case, we didn't use one state, and we used don't guess. Here all 3 flip-flops can be used. And how many K-maps? 4 K-maps for 3 flip-flops, D1, D2, D3, and an output, said output, okay? And how many variables? 4 variables. What are the variables? The present states Y1, Y2, Y3, and the input X, okay? Try in this basis, and you try to solve this problem also, okay? Thank you.